The cities of tomorrow are already taking shape, not in science fiction films or distant futures, but through the invisible hand of artificial intelligence working behind the scenes of everyday life. From traffic lights that learn and adapt, to energy grids that balance themselves in real time, AI is becoming the nervous system of modern urban infrastructure. Welcome to the era of smart cities, where data meets intelligence to reshape how we live, move, and thrive. At the heart of a smart city lies its ability to gather vast streams of data from thousands of sources: traffic sensors, surveillance cameras, public transport networks, weather stations, utility meters, and even smartphones. But data alone isn't enough. It needs to be interpreted, acted upon, and learned from. And that's where AI steps in. By applying machine learning, computer vision, and real-time analytics, smart cities can make autonomous decisions that optimize city life in ways humans simply can't. One of the most visible areas where AI is transforming cities is transportation. Traditional traffic light systems operate on fixed timers, causing unnecessary congestion during low traffic hours or failing to respond quickly during peak times. AI-driven traffic control systems, however, can analyze live traffic flow and adjust light sequences dynamically, reducing delays and improving fuel efficiency. In cities like Hangzhou, China, AI-powered traffic systems have already decreased congestion by up to 15. Public transportation also benefits immensely. AI algorithms can predict bus arrival times more accurately, optimize routes based on demand, and even adjust frequency in real time based on passenger load. In Singapore, predictive analytics help plan new train lines and adjust schedules to match commuter behavior. These systems reduce wait times, cut operational costs, and improve the daily experience for millions. But smart cities go beyond mobility. AI also plays a critical role in public safety. Advanced computer vision systems scan video feeds to detect unusual behavior, crowd formation, or potential accidents. Some systems can alert authorities instantly if someone collapses on a sidewalk or if a traffic collision occurs. While these systems raise legitimate privacy concerns, they also offer faster emergency response and greater situational awareness in dense urban environments. Energy efficiency is another frontier. AI monitors electricity usage across districts, anticipates peak demand, and can reroute power or adjust heating and cooling systems to maintain balance. In Barcelona, AI systems manage public lighting, dimming streetlights in low traffic areas and increasing brightness when movement is detected. The result is lower energy costs and a reduced carbon footprint. Waste management is being revolutionized as well. AI-equipped bins can notify collection services when they're full, while route optimization algorithms ensure garbage trucks follow the most efficient paths. Cities like Seoul are using AI to analyze waste generation patterns and improve recycling rates through targeted education and policy tweaks. Environmental monitoring is another area where AI is making strides. Sensors scattered throughout a smart city can measure air quality, water pollution, noise levels, and radiation. AI then analyzes this data to detect trends, identify pollution hotspots, and even forecast hazardous conditions. In places like Copenhagen, this intelligence guides city planning decisions, such as where to plant new trees or reroute traffic to reduce emissions. AI also enhances how governments deliver services. Chatbots powered by natural language processing now handle thousands of municipal inquiries daily, from reporting potholes to renewing licenses. These systems not only free up human staff, but also provide round-the-clock service to citizens. In cities like Helsinki and Dubai, AI chat interfaces are becoming the first point of contact between the government and its people. Housing and infrastructure management benefit from predictive maintenance powered by AI. Buildings embedded with smart sensors can report when an elevator is likely to fail, when air filters need changing, or when a water pipe shows signs of stress. This prevents costly breakdowns and extends the life of urban infrastructure. It's proactive governance in action. Education and healthcare systems within smart cities are also evolving. AI can help schools manage resources, detect student disengagement, and personalize learning plans. Hospitals and clinics can use predictive analytics to allocate beds, forecast outbreaks, and streamline patient flow. In Tokyo, AI systems have helped hospitals respond faster during emergencies by forecasting ambulance demand based on traffic, event calendars, and weather. But while the technological possibilities are exciting, smart cities must grapple with challenges of equity, transparency, and ethics. Not everyone benefits equally from these advancements. There's a risk that AI systems trained on biased data can reinforce inequality, such as policing algorithms that disproportionately monitor certain neighborhoods. Smart cities must be built on a foundation of inclusive design, community participation, and oversight. Data privacy is another pressing concern. As cities become more interconnected and surveillance expands, who owns the data? How is it stored? Who gets access? Without strong governance, the promise of AI-enabled urban living could devolve into digital overreach. Fortunately, many cities are addressing these issues head-on. Amsterdam, for instance, runs an open AI register where citizens can see what algorithms are being used and how decisions are made. Barcelona has implemented data sovereignty frameworks to ensure residents control their own data. These steps represent a shift from opaque governance to participatory intelligence. Despite the challenges, the momentum is undeniable. AI is turning urban centers into living systems, dynamic, responsive, and ever-adapting. Roads aren't just concrete, they're data pipelines. Buildings aren't static, they're intelligent hubs. And citizens aren't passive recipients, they're participants in shaping their digital environments. Looking ahead, the role of AI in smart cities will only grow deeper and more sophisticated. We'll see the rise of urban digital twins, virtual replicas of cities that simulate traffic, weather, pollution, and infrastructure in real time. These models will allow planners and policymakers to test scenarios before implementing them in the real world, minimizing risk and optimizing impact. Edge AI will also become more prevalent. Instead of sending all data to centralized servers, more decision-making will happen at the source, within traffic lights, cameras, or even individual streetlights. This reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and ensures quicker responses to real-world events. And as 5G networks expand, the connectivity backbone for real-time AI becomes stronger, enabling seamless coordination between systems. Autonomous vehicles, for example, will rely on low-latency connections to communicate with traffic infrastructure, each other, and emergency systems. Crucially, the smart cities of the future will also focus on resilience. AI will help manage responses to climate events, natural disasters, and public health crises. It will assist in planning flood zones, coordinating evacuations, and maintaining continuity during disruption. But this isn't just about convenience. It's about survival. The vision of AI in smart cities is not one of cold automation, but of enhanced humanity. By removing friction, reducing waste, and optimizing systems, AI gives people back something priceless: time, safety, and quality of life. But that future must be built with care. Not every shiny technology serves everyone equally. Smart cities must be guided by inclusive values, participatory governance, and transparent AI ethics. Only then can they truly be called smart, not just in technology, but in spirit. As AI continues to shape our cities, the challenge and the opportunity lie in remembering why we build them in the first place. Not for data, not for profit, but for people. Already, some of the world's most ambitious urban projects are treating AI as foundational, not optional. In Saudi Arabia, the NEOM project envisions a linear city powered by AI from the ground up, where every building, service, and transport route is designed for efficiency and integration. In Toronto, earlier smart city efforts focused on sensor-driven urban planning that adapts to community feedback and seasonal patterns. These are not just isolated experiments, they're signals of a larger shift. As urban populations grow and climate pressures increase, the need for cities to be agile, sustainable, and equitable becomes critical. AI won't be a silver bullet, but it can be a powerful ally, amplifying human wisdom with machine precision. Ultimately, smart cities are not about replacing human decision-making, but enhancing it. AI provides the tools, but people provide the vision. And when those two forces align, intelligent systems and inclusive governance, the result is a city that listens, learns, and leads into the future. That's the promise of AI in smart cities. Not just a network of machines, but a web of possibility, woven intelligently with purpose for all.